What is going on, everyone? My name is Brob and thank you all for yet watching another video. Today there is big things happening for crypto. Currently we are breaking out of a nice little pattern. We have inflows from the ETF, we also have altcoins regaining strength and many more. So be sure to keep watching and let's get straight into it. First of all, let's look at the Bitcoin price. If we zoom in on the daily chart, we see that after breaking this small little resistance line, this was a downward sloping resistance, we got rejected heavily like a week ago from this line. We have established levels above it and also retested it like 4 more times and got supported from it. But the big catalyst is we currently have a big level of resistance at around 64k. I should adjust it a little bit more to the upside, have it like this, like 64.2k. There's a little bit big level of resistance, and well, in my opinion, it's just a matter of time before we clear this level and see higher prices. But if we zoom out right now, we can actually see that we are making a very nice bullish continuation. We could be looking at this level once we break out from the 64.2k level, but if we close above this 64.2k level, we take out this high, and then I think all the liquidity up here with this small little double top right here is gonna get taken out. And once that happens, we can take out 73, and that's when the real pump happens. If you look at this squiggly, I drew this squiggly from all the way back at September 6th. Once we saw this jump, I told you this is a good opportunity to get in, and I was expecting us to get above, to go up higher and get above these levels eventually. And if you look at it, we predicted it very closely because I thought we saw some more resistance around this level, but in fact we saw resistance a little bit higher, but we also came down to this level which we made support, and from that level moment we went up. Right now, looking at this, I think we are getting supported from this level right now, and it's very likely that we will break 64.2k eventually. I mean, not eventually, but pretty soon. If we look at the 4-hour, if we jump to that, we can see that we have a small little formation forming. We are currently in some sort of trend where we are making higher highs and higher lows. Look, so like a little small channel like this. And you could also even say that this is some sort of a bull flag, where you had this pull right here and then you have the flag, and from that we have a breakout target of above this trend line at around 68k. So that's something to look out for right now. This consolidation that we are having right now, let me remove these real quick. This consolidation reminds me of consolidation a little bit back in time, because we are like consolidating but also going up slightly because people are buying up every dip we're getting on this point. So if we keep this in mind and we zoom out, we go back to all the way back here somewhere. Where was it? Right here at this point. This is where it's reminding me of. We had this like the pre-bust phase. We had it from around 34k. We were consolidating, but as we were consolidating, we were going up as well, and eventually we had a massive breakout from that level. And currently I think we are having somewhat of a same price action, where we are currently just waiting to go to the US elections. Like we can climb up like this, and this is, by the way, when the US election is taking place. So we could just climb up like this, and once we are here, we're probably in the clearance of who's gonna win the election. And from that point, it's either gonna be straight up or a little bit down, depending on who wins. Speaking about the election, we see that currently Donald Trump is at around 49% chance of winning, with Kamala Harris around 50% chance of winning. Like a couple of days ago, this was like 53 and 47%. So he is gaining back some more momentum in this poll. I'm pretty sure it says nothing because, as I said, I'm pretty certain Trump is gonna win anyway. But this is signaling also some more bullish momentum for the market. Also, if we look at the crypto fear and greed index on Bitcoin, we can see that we are currently in the green. It's a good market sentiment. We have 59% greed, which is nothing you see towards a top. Once price tops out, we are currently, or we most likely will be at around 90%, 90 greed. And we are not even close to that right now. So this is also very healthy. It also means that we have a lot of room to grow. Also, if we look at this chart, this is the 5-day chart of Bitcoin. And we have had a very bullish MACD cross down here. And the last time that happened, 2 more times, we saw a massive pump after that. Also, this time the MACD also came down to the 0.0 level. And that hasn't happened very much. So this time right here, we also went down to this level, and we actually had a massive rally from that point. You can see right here, even when the MACD was even higher and we got a bullish cross on the MACD, we still rallied a fair bit. But right now, we can expect some good momentum and maybe some upside towards 120, 110K in the near future. I mean, basically, I think that we can actually hit 100K or 110K this year even. So that's something to look out for. Then also we have altcoins, because today was a very good day for altcoins. If we see, most of the altcoins are up. Sai is up a lot. My last video I was talking about getting into a trade on Sai. I actually did, but I forgot to record it. I already closed it because we hit my take profit level at around 47 cents. I think I put it. Let me check on that real quick. Yeah, so yesterday, or not yesterday, but in my last video, I was talking about once we break this level at 39 cents, there was not much resistance from that point, and most of the resistance was here at around 48 cents. So yeah, I actually took on a trade. I went in once we broke above this level on like the hourly, I think I was looking at. So right here on the hourly, we had this very good looking candle, very engulfing candle. So on this close of this candle, I actually jumped into trade. So I jumped in at around 39.8 cents. And then right now I took profit at around 40. I think my stop loss was at like 46.8, something like here. So yeah, on the initial pump, we actually got taken profit, which was not much, but it was like $300. So that's quite nice for a small little trade. Of course, I can't use that much leverage where I'm living currently. So that was pretty nice for me. Right now, we can actually see that the resistance zone is higher than we are currently getting pushed down from. So this is not looking too good for Sai right now, because I would have expected at least to get a test of this level, but we haven't tested it. So we just have to look out for where the price stabilizes. It could be very well much happening that we see some consolidation around this level, have a little bit more of a downside because there's a lot of liquidity right here. And then from this point, like, we establish like a support zone, go up, not like this, but like more on the shorter time frame. If we zoom out to the 4 hour, maybe like that. If we look at the 4 hour, it's pretty possible that we can see something like this up and then go up. In my opinion, this is likely and also healthy because this was quite a big pump on the 4 hourly candle and 4 hourly time frame, my bad. And there's not much support or resistance right here, so price could be manipulated to the downside very easy. So that's something to look out for. I won't be going into a trade right now. I will be looking once we get above this level and consolidate above this level, or we will come back to this level again. I might jump into another long. So on my Twitter, I'll keep you guys updated on that. Also, ending this video off, we see that yesterday we had a 136 million inflow from institutions, and we can see that over the couple last days, last week, we've seen some quite nice inflows from institutions, which is also signaling that there is a lot of bullish momentum coming back into the markets. Usually October, November, December are one of the most bullish months there is. So keep your Bitcoin, guys. Don't sell, don't panic sell. just ride the wave, because I believe that we will see some nice upside for crypto in general. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.